अनीस,
Yes, sir.
पहला क्वेश्चन है, द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज वायरल मेडिएटेड जीन ट्रांसफर इन बैक्टीरिया इज नोन एज, ठीक है। द आंसर इज transduction. You all know, I have already taught you that there are four mechanisms, four types of genetic recombination in bacteria: transformation, transduction, conjugation, and sexduction. And virus mediated gene transfer is known as transduction. Therefore, the correct answer of the first question is the option A, which has the transduction. The second question is kinetochore remains associated with. You all know, I have already taught in the structure of chromosome that there are primary constriction is also known as centromere. And you also know that the chromosome can bend only at the point of primary constriction, and you know that a three-layered protein disc is associated with the primary constriction, that is centromere, and that three-layered protein disc is known as kinetochore. Therefore, the correct answer of the question number 2 is the option A, primary constriction. Now let us see the third question. The third question is only one. The third question reads like this: only one chromosomal arm is present in. Only one chromosomal arm is present in. किसमें होता है? Which of the following chromosome has only one arm? What is the answer, Shashank?
Telocentric chromosome.
What will be the answer?
Telocentric chromosome.
Yes,
Acrocentric.
Telocentric chromosome has only one arm because the centrome is located at the tip of the chromosomal arm and there is no second arm. Only one arm is present in telocentric chromosome. The correct option of the question number 3 is the D. The fourth question is which histone protein is associated with the linker DNA? Which? Option H1, H3, H4 and H2. What will be the correct answer?
H1.
Yes, H1 protein remains associated with the linker DNA or spacer DNA, whereas two molecules each of H2A, H2B, H3 and H4 are form the central core of the nucleosome, and the H1 protein remains associated with the linker DNA or spacer DNA. So therefore the correct option of the question 4 will be A. The fifth question is conjugation between A plus and A prime is known as. What will be the answer, Anis?
Transfection.
No, you are 100% wrong. The conjugation between A plus and A prime, तुमको बार-बार I have already made you know that the sexduction is a special type of conjugation in which conjugation takes place between the A plus and F. The conjugation takes place between F prime. अच्छा, एक चीज इसमें one error has taken place. Shashank, hello.
Yes, sir.
One error has taken place in the question. F plus की जगह पर क्या होगा? F prime, F minus होगा. क्या होगा? What will be the?
F minus, sir.
Yes. The question तुम समझ गए होगे because I think that I have already taught you that the conjugation between F minus and F prime is known as F minus and F prime. F minus acts as the recipient and F prime acts as a donor. So typing error, typing after sending the question I have seen the typing error. Typing error से इसमें हो गया क्या कि वहां पर होना चाहिए था F minus and F prime. So the such type of conjugation is known as sexduction. Now let us see sexduction. Now let us see the question number 6. The part of the chromosome which is responsible for its individuality. The part of the chromosome responsible for its individuality. What will be the answer?
Telomere.
Yes. Telomere कैसा end होता है? Telomere is a non-sticky end. कैसा होता है? Telomere is non-sticky end of the chromosome. Telomere is the non-sticky end of the chromosome, and it prevents the sticking of the two chromosomes. The correct answer is the part of the chromosome responsible for its individuality in question number 6, and its correct option is correct answer is option C. Option See, the question number 7th is the term nucleosomes. The term nucleosome was coined by, किसने नाम दिया था तो ये nucleosome?
Periodic.
Yes, P-Audit. The correct option will be nucleosome was discovered by Korenberg and the term nucleosome was given by P-Audit in 1976 और 1970 ये तो इसका करेक्ट आंसर क्या है 7 का द करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज बी. The question number 8. Now let us see the question number 8. The diameter of the solenoid structure is कितना होता है अनीस?
30 nanometer.
शशांक
30
nm.
nanometers, sir.
13 nm. Yes, you are right. The correct option of this question is the option C. Histone protein is rich in. Histone protein is rich in. Yes,
Arginine.
correct option is answer A. And the shape of the chromosome is studied at.
Metaphase.
No. Number of chromosome is counted at metaphase and shape of chromosome is studied at anaphase. Shape of chromosome is studied at किसमें होता है शशांक? किसमें होता है बोलो? हेलो.
And anaphase में, sir.
एनाफेज में होता है